Tree removal in York, Pennsylvania. Last summer in York, a family sat on their porch while their kids played in the yard. A large oak leaned closer to the house every week. They thought it would last another season. One night, heavy rain hit. By morning, the tree was resting against their roof. The repair bill was more than the tree removal would have cost. Weak or leaning trees are silent risks. They don't ask permission before falling. They just come down on homes, fences, and cars. That's why Oathkeepers Tree Care is here. We handle dangerous trees before they cause damage. Our crew works safe and steady, so your home and yard stay protected. Here's what we do in York and nearby. Safe removal of weak, leaning, or storm-hit trees. Clearing branches from roofs, driveways, and wires. Stump grinding to clear space for new use. Local service you can count on with fair pricing. Waiting can turn a tree into a costly accident. Acting now saves stress later. Call Oathkeepers Tree Care at 717-378-1776 or visit oathkeeperstreecare.com for a free estimate. Don't let the next storm decide for you. Keep your York home safe with trusted tree removal today.